the core of our revenues comes from the aviation revenues. To attract airlines, we are actually in competition with a lot of other airports. If you come from China to Europe, you can land in Rome, but you can even land in Paris, or you can even land in Frankfurt, or whatever it is. After that, airlines comes the passengers. The passengers should spend time and good time into the airport, an environment where we can find shops, luxury services, VIP lounges, fast track, personal shopper. It's important to understand what kind of passengers you have into the airport to reply to their needs. We currently run something like 25,000 interviews per year, understanding who is our passengers in terms of demographics, age, flows, where are you coming from, where do you go, etc., etc. On top of this, we started with the ICT guys to develop infrastructures in terms of Wi-Fi, in terms of beacon, trying to understand where these passengers are stopping, what these passengers are looking, how long they spend in one area and why. Connecting all this data together in a data lake is very good for understanding which is the value we can extract from those clusters. The shopping and the retail is one of the key pillars for the non-aviation revenues. We open a very huge new infrastructure terminal that is what we call the tax-free mall. Chinese passengers will pay the same bag downtown Rome and here 22% less. So our goal from a marketing point is to address them this information before they fly. We have even the advertising business, as well as we have the real estate business. Last but not least, we even have the mobility business. Around the airport, we manage directly something like 8,000 lots of parking. A businessman usually could be much more important for the parking business because probably he comes into the airport with a car 2, 3, 4 times per week. But on the other side, usually the business passengers doesn't spend money into the airport. To own very precise data is a value for your company, but is a value even to share with your stakeholders. A good example are the shops. If you can share with them some data, showing them, for example, that the average of the shops are performing in a such way, with such cluster, but your shop is not in line with the average. You can push them in doing better. So we are trying to make the most from our data, not only for us, but even for our stakeholders around.